Meaning of Huddie Ledbetter.
Huddie Ledbetter.
Huddie Ledbetter.
Huddie Ledbetter.
Huddie Ledbetter. Huddie Ledbetter is the birth name of the American folk and blues musician, Leadbelly. He was known for his unique style of singing and playing the 12-string guitar. Born in 1888, he grew up in Louisiana and Texas, and later performed in New York City. His music had a significant impact on the folk music revival of the 1950s and 60s, influencing artists such as Bob Dylan and Pete Seeger. Leadbelly's songs often dealt with social and political issues, and he is considered one of the most important figures in American music history.